Opportunity mapping involves leveraging artificial intelligence to systematically identify, analyze, and validate profitable niches in today's fast-paced digital landscape. By harnessing the power of AI to sift through massive datasets, businesses and individuals can uncover hidden market opportunities that may not be immediately obvious through traditional research. AI can assess current and emerging trends, evaluate the level of competition, and forecast future demands with impressive accuracy. This data-driven approach ensures a strategic focus on high-potential niches that align with your skills, interests, and expertise. Ultimately, it allows for smarter decision-making and better positioning in competitive markets, boosting your chances of long-term success. The niche discovery framework is a strategic process that begins by aligning your personal passion, knowledge, and skills with real-world market potential. It starts by identifying the sweet spot where your expertise intersects with current demand. From there, conduct thorough market research to analyze demand signals, assess the level of competition, and evaluate various monetization opportunities. Look for opportunity gaps, areas where audiences have unmet needs or problems that are not being effectively solved. These gaps represent ideal entry points for offering unique, value-driven solutions. Profitable niches often emerge in these underserved segments, where your specialized skills or perspective can create a competitive edge. By following this framework, you not only find niches that are financially rewarding, but also deeply fulfilling and sustainable in the long term. Artificial intelligence revolutionizes the speed and accuracy of hypothesis testing, reducing what once took weeks into just a few hours. This rapid experimentation allows you to validate ideas faster and pivot quickly when necessary. Leverage powerful tools like GPT-4 to craft detailed buyer personas, identify emotional pain points, and generate tailored messaging. Use web scrapers to analyze competitor strategies, uncovering their content focus, product offers, and audience engagement tactics. Semantic AI tools go even deeper by identifying search intent patterns, helping you align your niche content with what users are truly looking for. Additionally, AI can generate multiple variations of landing pages, headlines, and calls to action, which can be A/B tested to determine what resonates most with your target audience. This data-driven approach to validation ensures you're building your business around ideas that are not only creative, but proven to work. Ask ChatGPT. Developing an opportunity scanner means building a system that automatically tracks emerging keywords, social media trends, and shifts in your industry. Use AI tools and web scrapers to monitor data in real time. Then, filter and rank these insights using weighted criteria like relevance, competition difficulty, and potential profitability. Assign scores to help prioritize the most valuable opportunities. To evaluate timing, study growth patterns and adoption curves to identify whether a trend is rising or fading. Once you identify a promising opportunity, validate it through microtests, such as launching quick content pilots or simple landing pages. Analyze audience reactions, engagement rates, and conversion data to see if the niche truly resonates. This structured, data-driven approach ensures you're not guessing, but following a smart, repeatable system to discover and act on the right niche at the right time. It turns random inspiration into strategic discovery, helping you move faster and smarter than your competitors. Begin by identifying 3 areas where you hold a clear knowledge or skill advantage, fields in which you have experience, insights, or unique perspectives. These can stem from your education, career, hobbies, or life experiences. Once identified, use artificial intelligence tools such as keyword explorers, GPT-4, and trend analyzers to uncover 5 potential sub-niches within each area. These sub-niches should reflect specific problems, audiences, or needs. Next, apply a scoring system to each opportunity using a framework that evaluates relevance to your expertise, competition difficulty, and profit potential. Assign scores accordingly to highlight the most promising options. From there, select the top scoring niche for a deeper dive. Analyze its market size, trends, and audience pain points. This structured and strategic approach allows you to make data-driven decisions, reducing guesswork and positioning yourself to enter a niche with strong potential for both impact and income.